Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Back-to-back, a double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah has returned home for the first time since she successfully defended her 100 meters and the 200-meter titles at the Olympic Games. Simon Preston has that story.
And a national record of 21.53 seconds in the 200 as she became the first woman to successfully defend the 100 and the 200-meter titles. She was also part of the quartet that won the gold in the 4x100-meter relay in a national record of 41.02. Just a few weeks later, Thompson-Herah became the fastest woman alive after clocking the second fastest time of 10.54 seconds in Eugene, Oregon. While sporting stakeholders reflected on her successes on her arrival, Thompson-Herah is looking ahead, and she's keen on getting her first World Championship title.
I'm looking ahead right now. Everything is planned in my mind right now. I'm not being shy from nothing. No, I'm going for everything. So once I'm healthy, I'm just gonna give it my all. And I've not yet get a title at a World Championship, and that's definitely in my book to work towards that. And it's going to be a tight 3 years, but I think I can do it. Everybody can do it. We have done it before, so we're just going for it and take it year by year.
President of the J3A's Garth Gale feels the 100-meter world record of 10.49 is within Thompson-Herah's reach.
We want to shower you with all the praises and accolades because you are deserving of all the praises. And we know that you will continue to get stronger, faster, and the world record female will be for you, a Jamaican. Proud of you.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange says there are plans to celebrate all athletes that competed at the Olympic Games sometime next month.
We will be honouring our athletes in October. Because of the pandemic, we will not be able to do the usual big splash that we would want to. But we will still have an event that will say to Jamaica and the world and to them that we appreciate them and that we love them.
Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.